Hello, once again, we want to touch ratio. Calculation of ratio of the form A is to B is to C. From A is to B and B is to C. Pair of ratios will be given for you to find a triple ratio of A is to B is to C. So what do? Let's start a typical question like this. If the ratio of x is to y is 3 is to 5 and y is to z is 4 is to 7, find the ratio x is to y is to z. You are given two pairs of ratio to find the triple ratio, and it is always confusing for JAM students. We need a simple way of getting the solution. So on the solution, we don't need to waste time. When we have x is to y, it means x over y is 3 over 5. When we have y is to z, it means y over z, meaning 4 over 7. So if you take a look at this, a close look at these two ratios, you notice that one of the variables is repeated. Y is having 5, but here y is having what? 4. So there are two values there for y, 5 and 4. We want one value so that when we now substitute back here, it gives us the 3 ratio. So what do we need to do? Just to find the LCM of 5 and 4, which is what? 20. So by the time you now come here to the first ratio, the LCM is 20. So what will I do to 5 to make it 20? I mean, I multiply it by 4 to make it 20. I must do same to the upper number, which is the numerator. So that will not change that fraction. So multiply this by 4. You have 3 times 4. And multiply this by 4 also to make 20. 5 times 4. And automatically I will have 12 over 20. So remember the LCM is 20. What will I do to 4 to become 20? So likewise, my y over z, what will I make this to be 20? I multiply this by 5. Also, I will also multiply this by 5. So we have 4 times 5 over 7 times 5. So multiplying them, you have 20 over 35. So we can now see that the value of y here is 20, making the value of y here to be also 20. So it's on the balance. Without waste of time, our x is to y is to z is going to be what we are looking for. So x here is 12. We put 12. Y we have confirmed it 20, 20 here, so that balance is 20. And z 35. So x is to y is to z is now 12 into 20 is to 25, and that is the answer. I believe that is very simple for you.